Let us learn how we can select all the cells in your worksheet and also all the used cells in your worksheet with very easy shortcut methods. If you would like to select all the cells in your worksheet, you can go to the top left corner here with a small triangle, and let's select that button. That automatically will select all the cells in your worksheet. And if you would like to deselect them, then you could click anywhere in your worksheet and automatically your selection goes away and you've selected only one cell now. Again, I will go back here, click, left click here, all the cells will be selected. If you want to deselect, just click anywhere else. Another quick method to select only used cells in your worksheet. Again, used cell is nothing but a cell that has any information, whether it is text or some formatting or some information that's in a cell. And in our example worksheet here, you can see that this is the last used cell, which is the last used cell in our worksheet. So let's go back to cell A1 and I'm going to try Control Shift End. This will select all the cells from wherever you begin till the last used cell. So let me try again with A2. Let's say I start from A2. Now I will do Control Shift End. This will select from A2 to the last used cell. Remember that this doesn't select all the used cells in your worksheet. It selects from the cell that you start with until the last used cell in your worksheet. It will select all the cells in between. Even if you don't have any information, it will still select them. So let me use that in another example here. I'm going to do 2005 here in cell C10. Now this becomes the last used cell in our worksheet. So let me go back to A2 and use Control Shift End. Now you can see that all the cells here are selected until cell C10. And these cells here, A7, A8, A9, they're not used cells, but the way this works is it starts from the cell that you're starting from, it diagonally goes until the last used cell in your worksheet. It will select everything in between. And this can be helpful if your data set is pretty long and you want to select the data from wherever you are until the end of your data. Then you can use this method to select a lot of cells together in one single keystroke.